Hey, Rupert, what do you want? Hey, buddy, do you want anything? Rupert, you cutie pie. So, Rupert, how's your day today, buddy?
It was good. I really liked it. I sat around all day. I looked at my bone. I watched you eat pizza. I wanted some, you know.
Yeah? Did you get to eat any of the pizza, Rupert?
Yeah, I got a little bit of the crust, but you know, it wasn't all of it. I wanted the cheese a little bit, and the pepperoni.
Well, Rupert, I could have given you pepperoni if you'd asked me.
I just wanted to. I just wanted some pepper. I just wanted pepperoni. Really, that's all I wanted. All I wanted. All I wanted was that. That was all I wanted from you.
Well, Rupert, if you wanted to, I could have given you a treat or something like that.
Yeah, you say a treat. You say a treat. Because I really want to go outside. Yeah, I do. I want to go outside. Yeah.
You want to go outside, Rupert?
Yes, I do. I really do. I really want to go outside.
Okay, then. You want to go?
Yes. Getting kind of tired now. I'm just gonna slide down now. And I'm gonna slide down now.